Here are some senior travel tips that actually make your trip easier and not harder. I asked ChatGPT to create a packing list for all of us people over 60. At first, the packing list actually looked pretty good, but once I looked closer, I realized it was missing a few things. Few things that can make a trip harder or easier. So today in this video, I'm going to show you what ChatGPT got right and what it got wrong and how to fix it in real life. So stay with me and watch it for all the senior travel tips. And if you're new here, I'm Vicky, and this is my channel all about ChatGPT helping you to plan better trips for seniors step by step without the tech stress. And I'm a grandma and I'm a small channel, so I appreciate you being here. Please subscribe. I'm going to start with a generic prompt. This is a prompt that most of us would use to get a packing list. I'll explain why you need to go further and I'll give you the exact prompts to get exactly what you need. Okay, so this is prompt 1. Create a simple travel packing list for travelers over 60. Keep it practical and easy to follow. Now I'll show you in ChatGPT. Okay, so now I've opened ChatGPT and I'm going to paste that prompt in and see what it has to say. Okay, so I'm going to press enter. Okay, so let's just go up to the simple travel packing list over 60 core documents. This is like your photo ID, travel insurance, credit cards, and then your clothing. Keep it light and flexible. Tells you exactly different things you should bring. Toiletries, travel size only. Health and comfort. Your prescription meds down to compression socks, small first aid kit. Critical mistake to avoid: never pack meds in checked luggage. Then you need a day bag, travel comfort, hotel extras, final check before you leave. Okay, so it gives you a lot of information. So now we're going to move on and make this more clear. So I kept that prompt simple on purpose because this is how most people actually use it. So what's missing? This is where things start to break down because real trips don't happen on a checklist. To be fair, this is a good starting point. It helps you remember the basics. It keeps things organized and it gives you a simple structure. But that's not where people run into problems. Now I'm going to share 3 things that ChatGPT got wrong. The first thing that ChatGPT gets wrong is travel fatigue. That point in the day when you're still going, but you're already worn out. And once that hits, everything else becomes harder. The second thing ChatGPT misses is how people actually pack. If you're traveling as a couple, this is where things break down. You bring duplicates of things you don't need and forget things you actually do. And suddenly everything feels harder than it should be. The third thing that ChatGPT gets wrong is the small stuff, the things that don't seem important but make the biggest difference during the day. You should have easy access items like medications and things you don't want buried in a suitcase. Now I'm going to show you how to fix these problems. I'm going to open ChatGPT and show you prompts 1, 2, and 3. Prompt 1 is the same one we used earlier. So we're going to start simple just like before. Now I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to show you the 3 prompts and what we end up with. So I'm going to do prompt 1 again, the same one we did earlier, and enter. Okay, so basically the same things we got before. Simple travel packing list for over 60, toiletries, important documents, tech, comfort and health extras. Okay, so now we're going to put in prompt 2. I'm going to paste that here and enter. Okay, so this is a revised list for travelers over 60. Focus on comfort, short walking distances, easy access items, and low stress travel. Keep it simple. Okay, so this is where it starts to improve because you're telling it what real travel actually feels like. So you need low stress travel packing list for clothing, easy access bag, your most important item, toiletries minimal and simple, documents no stress, no tech dependence, simple tech only what you actually will use, like on the plane or on your in your hotel or whatever. Okay, so it looks like these are all getting to be good ideas. Okay, so now I'm going to do prompt 3. Okay, and this one says adjust this packing list for 2 people traveling together, reduce duplicate items, simplify what needs to be shared, and keep everything easy to carry. Okay, low stress packing list for 2. So what this is going to do is make sure you don't overpack, that what one person takes, the other person doesn't duplicate. Okay, so it's going to say each person and then shared strategy and reality check. Okay, so personal bags, toiletries again, documents, everybody needs their own. Okay, 2-person packing rules. This is the difference maker. 1 suitcase, 1 shared system. Assign responsibility, 1 handles documents, 1 handles shared items. Eliminate duplicates aggressively. If it can be shared, it should be. Keep weight manageable for both people. Either person should be able to handle the bag. Do a final cut. Remove 20% before you leave. You won't miss it. Those are the 3 prompts, but I'm going to try one more and see if we can just get this down to a numbered list. So I'm going to put in here, give me a numbered list with these items in, in this list that you gave me in prompt 3. Enter. Okay, so 2-person packing list numbered, person A, person B, and then shared items. Final check. Don't skip. All medications packed. Documents are ready. Personal bags. Light and organized. 1 suitcase only. If possible, remove at least 2 to 3 unnecessary items. And so there you go. You can do your 3 prompts and then ask for a numbered list. Now you've got something that actually works. It's still simple, but now it accounts for comfort, fatigue, and how people really travel. Use AI, but guide it. If you refine it like this, it becomes something you can actually use. And that's usually the difference between a trip that feels easy and one that feels harder than it should. As you can see in the video, ChatGPT can give you a start on your packing list, but it may miss things that you really need to know, especially as we get older. So if you want more simple ways to use ChatGPT for easy trip planning, please subscribe and come back often. I'd love to get to know you. So if you can put in the comments one thing that you always forget to pack. Any other comments, any other questions about ChatGPT, and I'd love to help you plan a trip. So just reach out and let me know. Thanks for coming.